chirp, 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 chirp. Have a great day, everybody. Hope you have a lovely Tuesday. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you may be viewing this from. Have a good one. Also, I went live on Twitch last night for about an hour for the first time in about a month, or at least 2 weeks, or 2.5 weeks, I think around a month. But I'm going to start trying to do that more consistently, so y'all look in the description for my Twitch link, please, and give me a follow, and wait for that bell, and then tune in. Good morning from South Carolina. I love you all. See you later.